So just going over some of my little bit of art space, art room, office slash kids room. Oh, they love it. This is it. By the way, that hall, this is where we had our extension done upstairs, and one of the lads come through the roof. Nice. He's okay, he was alright, but yeah. So physically the room itself needs an upgrade, absolutely does. But I just want to share a few little bits of my art spacey area that we're going to go into, and that we're going to delve into with some of the different arty things we're going to with the kids stuff and with my stuff, different projects. So the reason why I want to show you a little bit, because it might help you guys out. So here's my little tropic things over there. I might actually paint them. I might come back and do something on them. Getting a bit tatty now, storing all my things. It's me painting from when I was at school, 16, the last ever art thing I had from there. So over here we've got a really nice desky area. It might look really cluttered and stuff, but I've got the kids' homework things there. I've got loads of stationery things all over here. I've got these hats to sell because that was from my sister's wedding. And yeah, it's just a really nice area. So the kids come in and do the homework first before they start doing anything, and there's some little stickers there. They can pick a sticker once they're finished, and everything's happy. Got some storage here. I will do this Lego. I love the office. I will do that. I'm loving the different Lego projects. I've got the flowers, so we're going to do that. Got a nice bit of storage over here, which is IKEA unit. If you're wondering where that's from, you can put all your books and all your gear. These boxes are great just to store all the kids stuff. So I've got Play-Doh and art supplies and different like funky things in there. And my apron's got my pennies, got my stuff there. Got, you will see Nespresso all over the place because I am Nespresso obsessed with the coffee. Look, I even got a free apron. Look at that, gorgeous. That's going to be used as an art apron. So yeah, I've got on these little masks because I'm having a little dabble. I'm going to have a little dabble at the old resin. So let's have a go at that. Oh, look. Another Nespresso pot. Oh, I love it. Called the ice lattes and that, gorgeous. Anyhow, this is my standy up area over here. Yeah, with all the things I get creative on here and crafty side. There's some of the kids stuff, some of the things in the past, like little things we've done there. We'll do loads more types, recycling, things like that. My areas, my still life bit, my little Mondrian little glass thing I made in his style. Then I've got all my art supplies with my brushes and all my gear and my knives and my stuff. And I've got loads of little things here, got all oils and acrylics, and and I even got a Cricut machine. I'm going to have a dabble of that as well. And then I've got these trolleys as well with loads of supplies on the trolleys too, and also the boxes, the crates, and loads of boxes when you need to put separate things in. And then this lovely little sofa bed area that people can stay or just have a sit. Nice little area. And then I've got some storage things going on here as well. All the intricate things, little pots. Really cool IKEA again, putting them things up. Oh, I need to post that. You'll see that in a bit. That was from spring. Shows how long this has been. So yeah, this is a little dabble of the space that I work in. I've got a little abacus there because the kids have, he's been really helping with his maths errors. So yeah, nice little areas there. And I hope it gives you some ideas. And we're going to come back with some arty things. So over in my art, we were over in spring. So we did this little acrylic piece here, just with some sunflowers, carrying on from the sunflower over in the kids' art. So that will come next on that one, and that, even though that is from that, and now we've gone past the summer because I've had weddings and summer holidays and crazy things with the house and different things and people and some not nice things as well. But anyhow, so that's why a little bit of a break from that. But now we're coming back into the autumn now, or the fall in some places. So yes, we will come back to the creative side, which is actually leading a little bit. We're getting close to Inktober as well, so might go on that edge as well. We'll see if we can keep up. And also just a little bit on our lovely little holiday here, just the kids there, a couple of nice little pics. Really nice time we had, and my beautiful hat that I had for the wedding of my sister. And hey, and a little back to the flowers. Here's a lovely sunflower with the sunflower Legos, which you might love. The kids loved it, doing their own little things. If you don't want to get messy, if you do want to get messy with the paints, then feel free to go over to my acrylic paints there and follow along, and you'll really enjoy that step by step with the layers. So yeah, give it a thumbs if you like, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you, bye.